when you make a mountain biking course, and it consists of this, going through here, and you get some mud that you don't even want to walk on, that's when you know it gets sketchy. Oh, shoot. You see that? My foot's sticking. Let me, I was going to show you guys this, so I guess I'll just make a quick walk for it. Then you go around, you either go up, or you can go around, doesn't really matter, just up around this hill. Then you come down through a little bit more mud. You go up and over this hill, through some more mud. And it comes out around right here. It goes through over here where there's some more mud. And that's what makes it challenging. So, some more mud there. Come through around. This is just kind of some soft dirt. A lot more mud. This stuff's really soft right there. You come through right here. Just a little bump there, but that's not really anything. Back to the starting line, which is right before these leaves. And like I said, you go through these leaves kind of just sideways like this. And you go up over that. It's a pretty nice little mountain bike short course though, I think. Used to try my quad out here before it wasn't allowed to, so yeah. And before it broke. Yep. That's it.